Hi and welcome everyone, it's Daniela again, and I'm happy to be working with our gorgeous August kits, and I used the papers and the embellishments, of course, and I also used two of these pretty cardstocks, and I also made use of one of the papers from our Pocket Life kit. Well, you see that I started my page by cutting 4 squares, and I place my picture on one of those squares. It's a square as well. And I picked 2 pink ones and 2 blue, blue or teal or mint papers, so that I have 2 different main colors here, and these colors match my picture just perfectly. And this is what I want to have at the beginning. And now I can start adding some dimension. You see that I'm working with the tags that we get in the embellishment kit, and I just placed them here behind my squares. This way you can add a lot of dimension, because it seems that there is another layer by just adding these tabs and tags. I also wanted to flip the squares a little bit. This also adds dimension, and sometimes you can just cut apart these paper pieces to get even more out of this pack. All right, so I also need some on the pineapple paper here. This one is taken from the Pocket Life kit, and we have another paper with the same pattern in our paper kit, and I really like that we can combine different sizes of the patterns now on our pages. And I add more dimension by adding die cut pieces and chipboard pieces. So I'm working with those 2 packs here, and you see that you can combine them perfectly. I think that the chipboard pieces add a lot of dimension, because they are quite thick and heavy, and then I have the paper pieces placed on top of them, and this way I have a lot of dimension on my page. You see that these tabs and tags are also a nice addition here. I have the ticket behind the frame, and I also add some more tiny pieces, and all these details add a lot of dimension, and it is so easy because you only need to decorate your squares, and that's why it's quite easy to start layering, and you don't have to make up your mind where to put everything, because it's just shoveled behind or on top of the squares. Well, I also want to add the title, and I want to take a look first, because I'm not quite sure where to put it. I had 2 places in mind, or 2 spots in mind, either here on the pink paper or on top of the picture. And finally I decided to place it here. So the picture was taken on our last trip to Mexico, and we went to Holbox, which is such a pretty little island, and I've taken so many photos there, and I guess that you'll be seeing some of those over the next couple of weeks, because these kits are just perfect for documenting all kinds of summer memories. And I really fell in love with this little island. So if you ever go to Mexico, make sure to go to Holbox. It's a really, really, really a dream come true, and just like paradise. Well, I also wanted to have a few more details. So of course I wanted to have the year that I just added by using the numbers from our alphabet stickers. And then I had to find a good place for it, and I think here is just fine. I wasn't sure about this camera piece. I put it around and tried so many different spots, and in the end, well, I decided not to use this one here, but I wanted to use some of these shiny shapes. So we have pretty shapes like dots and hearts and stars and triangles, and I really like those tiny shiny stickers. We can add a lot of details, and it even creates more dimension. It's another texture, and that's what I like a lot. I also wanted to have some of those pretty puffy stickers. So if you've watched some of my videos before, I love using puffy stickers on my projects. We have tiny ones and bigger ones. We even have some words in the August kit, and just added some of those. And then we get these pretty cardstock stickers in our August kits. There are 3 different sheets, and I wanted to use some of the phrase stickers, which even add more dimension again if you just add them on top of your clusters. So you see that most of the time I have to try different versions first before I decide where to put it. And if you let them, or if they are overlapping somehow, it's even more dimension, and that is what I'm doing here. And then I also want to use one of those circles from this sticker sheet, and I also add some more shapes, and then I'm almost done with my page. In the end, I added a few more of those shiny stickers, and I cut a frame and placed my white cardstock on top of the purple cardstock from the cardstock stack, and this is what my page looked like in the end. Thank you so much for watching again, and have fun using your kits. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.